Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some the important opportunity from the company like the Immersion, Repic, HCL Tech, Google and other important hiring. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship opportunity, then this video is for you. So पहला important opportunity है that is from the Immersion जो कि हायर कर रहे हैं इंटर्न पोजीशन के लिए एंड जॉब लोकेशन जो आपका होगा पुणे एंड महाराष्ट्र एंड दिस विल बी योर रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लाइक सपोर्टिंग सप्लाई डेवलपमेंट इनिशिएटिव collaborate with product supply chain leaders and other things are there. So if you are currently pursuing or recently completed a degree in engineering, supply chain or operations or related field, you can apply for this. You should be proficient in MS Excel and a good analytical and problem solving skills are required for this profile. So if you are interested, you can apply. This is wonderful profile. Moving to next, that is from the Repic Technology. They are hiring for the role of business analyst and freshers until 2 year experience means 2024, 2025, 26 all can apply for this. This is a full-time role and this will be your roles and responsibility like gathering and analyzing business requirements, document specifications and ensure successful project delivery and these other things are there. So graduates from Delhi University with honors degree in mathematics, economics or computer science or the 0 2 year of experience or fresher graduates can apply for that. Okay, so this is wonderful profile. If you want, you can apply for that and you can check out there. Moving to next, that is from the HCL Tech. They are hiring for the role of process associate, and for this, the job location is Hyderabad. And this will be your roles and responsibility like responding promptly and efficiently to customer queries, accurate inter updates means this is non-developer profile. So if you want, especially, it should be not from the BCA, BTech, IT, MCA, or B. They are not eligible. So you should be from arts and science background, I mean non-tech background, because this is non-tech profile. So if you want, you can apply for this and HCL take interview freshers art. Okay, so this is a wonderful profile. If you want, you can apply or share the among your friends. Moving to next, that is from the RTX. They are hiring for the role of graduate engineer trainee, and for this, the job locations will be Karnataka, Bengaluru. So this is also a full-time roles and this will be your roles and responsibility. So make sure to check out complete link the descriptions. So इसमें आपका requirement क्या है? That is different stages of software verification life cycle knowledge you should be having, strong C programming skill and Linux scripting language and other things are there. So just check out and apply as soon as possible with updated resume. Moving to second last important one, that is from the Google. They are hiring for the role of software engineering intern summer. And this is summer internship 2027 pass out batch. Okay, so please complete before June 18th, 2026. So I think uh, you can ignore this because this link has been expired, but I will provide the link if it's extended, then you can still apply. Okay, so check out once. Moving to last, that is from the Nordson. They are hiring for the role of data analyst 1 and AMNS. This is also a full-time roles and this will be your roles and responsibilities. So you should have knowledge of Power BI, developing and maintaining service now data to enact DNA solutions and define objective or business requirements and freshers are even for this. So you should having strong problem solving skills and other things are there and basic knowledge of Power BI and other analytical skills are required. Hope video informative to you. For getting such important job opportunity, you can subscribe us. Those who have applied for the Accenture custom software engineer, they are getting reward, and from other company are also they are getting reward. So that's the reason friends saying I'm keep applying. You don't know from where you're gonna get reward, but apply with updated resume. That is only hacks to get the interview call or the further reward mail. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.